The topic is exact equations. So let's do this example. Determine whether the differential equation x dy dx is equal to x e to the x minus y plus 6x squared is exact. If it is, then solve it. So let's read first the definition. Definition says m dx plus n dy equals 0 is exact if partial m with respect to y is equal to partial n with respect to x. Well, first we need to write it in this form right here. So to do that, first thing we want to do is multiply everything by dx, left side and right side. If we do that, if we multiply left side by dx, we'll get x dy is equal, and then we'll multiply right side by dx, right? Because dx will be simplified by this dx. They will cancel. Now I'm going to move this part to the left side. So that would be 2x ex minus y plus 6x squared dx minus x dy. It will be equal to 0, right? Instead of writing 0 on the left, I'm writing it on the right. Alright, now I can tell that my m of xy is right here. So it's 2x ex minus y plus 6x squared. And the n of xy will be equal minus x. So first, let's calculate partial m with respect to y. Partial m with respect to y is equal, since this is a constant, to x e to the x, consider the constant that's 0 minus, this is still a 0. No, that's a negative 1. Sorry. How can I write that? Minus 1, and then plus partial of 6x squared. 6x squared is constant, so it is 0. So we got negative 1. Right? Partial n with respect to x is evident, it's negative 1. So therefore, partial m with respect to y is equal partial n partial x, which is equal negative 1. Therefore, there exists, let's just sign for there exists, function f of xy such that partial f with respect to x is equal m, but we know what is m. M is, what is it, right here? So 2x ex minus y plus 6x squared, and we know that partial f with respect to y will be equal n, which is right here, which is minus x. So now let's calculate f of xy. We know f of xy by definition is the integral partial f with respect to x dx, which is integral of this whole thing 2x ex minus y plus 6x squared dx. Let's rewrite it. So f of xy is equal integral of 2x ex dx minus, since y is a constant, I can just take it outside and just write dx plus integral of 6x squared dx. For this integral, will be pretty easy. That would be minus y, integral of dx is x, plus, and this is going to be 6x cubed over 3. Now, for this one, we have to use integration by parts. I'm going to call this a u, and this will be my dv. So the u will be equal to x, the dv will be equal ex dx, which means du is 2dx, and the v will be equal ex. So this integral by itself will be equal uv, right? Multiply these two, so it's 2x e to the x minus integral of v du, which is these two, so it'll be 2ex dx, and don't forget minus yx plus, simplify and cancel, that would be 2x cubed, right? This is going to be equal 2x e to the x minus, this is an easy integral, 2 e to the x minus yx plus 2x cubed. Now this is, remember, this is just f of xy, so the answer is supposed to be f of xy equal a constant right here. That would be the solution. So a family of solution is the f of xy equal constant, which means 2x ex minus 2ex minus yx plus 2x cubed equal constant. So this will be the solution. And that's it for this example.